What's going on, everybody? David here. So I want to talk about laundry in Thailand, in Phuket, Thailand. So when I booked this hotel, one of the things that I looked for is a laundry service that was nearby. And the reason I did that is because I knew coming out here to Phuket, I wanted to only bring about 5 to 6 changes of clothes. And then I wanted to wash my clothes while I was here. That was my whole plan. That was a whole setup. So I needed to have a laundry service nearby. So this hotel that I'm staying in, perfect setup, and let me show you why. All right, so here's the hotel here, and here's our laundry mat, our laundry service right here. So it's not too far. Get your laundry done, 80 baht, fold it. You missed it, 80 baht. Sewadika. Yeah, so that's good living right there. Hotel right here, get your clothes done right down here. Okay, so you see there's a laundry service right nearby, and it was about 400 baht, and that's roughly about $12, and that was to get pretty much most of my clothes washed. So I did about 5 days here, and then I went ahead and got them washed. The funny thing about it is when you walk down, and this is not the only laundry service they had probably 3 or 4 different ones in this area right across from the hotel. But what's really funny about it is you see like these clotheslines, and you see clothes hanging in these different areas, and I'm thinking, okay, are they washing the clothes and they're just drying them out back? Or do they actually have a dryer? And then we came across this. Where is it?
I think they washed your bag.
Oh, this is mine. It's our clothes, dog. So here are our clothes drying.
My chonies. My chonies. They don't blow away.
They're almost dry. They're almost done. We'll get them later. Pretty funny. So that's the middle of the process right there. They already washed them. Now they're drying them. No dryers. This is the drying technique. So they're fine though. They do a good job because we've already had it done once, and it was good. They iron them, fold them. Everything is good. So I would recommend it. So there it is. Our clothes are sitting there, and yeah, they do dry them. And it's funny, you saw the lady's response. She's kind of like, ha ha ha, you're onto us, which is fine. I don't mind. I don't mind paying for that. I mean, the clothes came back, and they were good. They smelled good. They smelled fresh and everything, and they were clean. And so I don't mind the methods that they use as long as they get the job done. And so after everything is done, the next day, basically what they'll do is they'll bring them to your hotel. So they bring them to the hotel. They drop them off. I just go down to the front desk and pick them up. And here's the finished product here. These are my clothes. I went down and got them from the front desk. And the great thing about this is the laundry service will bring them to the hotel, and all you need to do is go downstairs to pick them up. So I have 2 bags here. It's 400 baht, so it's about $12 to wash this right here. So it's not too bad of a deal. They will wash them, dry them, iron them, and then fold them. So that's what I have here. I'm only going to be here 2 more days, so I won't be using all these clothes. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of the finished product here. I know you guys did see we went out back of the laundry service, and you see they just hang the clothes. They don't use a dryer or anything like that, which I kind of figured because I saw some other, I mean, there are probably 3 or 4 other laundry services right in this area, and they all have that little backyard, and you see clothes hanging and stuff. So it's fine. I mean, I could have done it myself, but that'd be a lot of washing for me and all that. So you're on vacation, you should be enjoying yourself. I'd rather be out at the beach than in here washing clothes and stuff. So it's just better. The $12 is money well spent for me. So that's it. I mean, quick and easy. It's the best way to do things if you want to pack light, because you don't have to pack for that many days. If you can find a laundry service that's nearby, and if it's pretty reasonable, I mean, this, I did it twice. So I paid $12 the first time, paid $12 the second time, total of $24, and I have all my clothes, I washed everything that I brought. and I'm leaving tomorrow, but I still have half my clothes are clean. So if there were a situation where I got delayed and for a day and I still needed clothes, I would still have some clean clothes. So just something to think about. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.